Tonight, President Yudhoyono was conferred the Order of Sikatuna with the rank of Raja in a ceremony held at the Rizal Hall of Malacanang. A state dinner was also tendered in honor of the Indonesian leader. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
President Aquino conferred Indonesian President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono Order of Sikatuna with the rank of Raja during the state dinner in honor of the Indonesian leader. Yudhoyono was the first Indonesian president to receive the highest diplomatic merit from the Philippine government. He said the Philippines regarded him as uncle or bapa in Kapampangan dialect.
As you may well remember, the last time we saw each other in Myanmar, I referred to you as our uncle, which in my dialect is Bapa, because you have acted like a real uncle to all of us in sharing with us your wisdom. I am told that in Indonesia, Bapa denotes respect in reference to a father or an elder. Regardless of its definition, whether in Kapampangan, my dialect, or Bahasa Indonesia, Bapa is a word attributed to an elder held in high esteem, which perfectly describes Your Excellency. And it is such that I pay tribute to you tonight by conferring on you, as a mark of the appreciation and esteem of our Republic, our highest order of diplomatic merit, which is the Order of Sikatuna with the rank of Raja. President Yudhoyono has been a kaka-laki-laki to everyone in ASEAN. I am told that laki-laki pertains to man in your language, while in Filipino, laki means big. So we can really say that President Yudhoyono is not only our big brother, but also our lucky charm.
President Aquino thanked Yudhoyono for their support to attain lasting peace in Mindanao, as well as the assistance given on the route of Super Typhoon. The President also recognized Yudhoyono's influential voice in the international community on the interests of the ASEAN community.
Your Excellency, the Filipino people are grateful for the sustained support your government and the people of Indonesia have shown for our peace process and security. Indonesia has always spoken in support of the Philippines and our endeavors in the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. We also deeply appreciate Indonesia's overwhelming humanitarian assistance in the aftermath of Typhoon Haiyan. May I also congratulate Your Excellency on your 2 successful terms as President. Under your reliable leadership, we have seen impressive reforms that have led to economic growth of Indonesia, a growth that has empowered your nation to be an influential voice in both regional and international affairs.
Yudhoyono is honored to receive the award from the President. He considered his visit in the Philippines as fruitful and meaningful. The Indonesian leader also congratulated President Aquino to have a steady and impressive economic growth despite global economic crunch. He recognized Philippine economy as Asia's new tiger and
let me use this very opportunity to congratulate Your Excellency for all the achievements of your presidency. They have been wide-ranging and transformative. Allow me to cite 2 examples. Your economy has recorded an impressive growth, a steady economic growth above 6% since 2012. And you can sustain this remarkable growth even when the world is engulfed in a global economic crisis. Therefore, it is not surprising that the Philippines has been designated as Asia's bright spot and the new Asian tiger by a number of international media. Such economic successes cannot be separated from your effort to eradicate corruptions. The Philippines' ranking in this year's Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index has improved quite significantly.
Yudhoyono also commended the President's effort to achieve lasting peace in Mindanao, comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro.
I am confident that building on this peace dividend, your country will gain more success in many other fields. I believe we should combine our respective potential and strengths for the common goods of our people. And I am glad that our bilateral relations are indeed on the right track. with plenty of room for further expansion.
Served during dinner are salmon and tuna with mango, tenderloin beef, and queso de bola ice cream. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.